For SaaS and managed service providers, digital platforms are the business. From rapid software deployment and 24/7 service delivery to complex client onboarding and system integration, your IT implementation teams are the backbone of the modern economy. Behind every SLA are the teams responsible for building, scaling, and defending the platforms your clients rely on. For these providers to grow, engineering and operations must move in lockstep, fueled by a unified mission. CDW helps SaaS, MSP, and IT implementation organizations optimize their delivery engines through our SmartLab for digital operations. Platform reliability improves when product engineering, managed services, and implementation teams unite with a shared purpose. Success happens when frontline technicians understand the why behind the roadmap and how specific code, processes, and tools impact the total client experience. This is where teams experience the aha moment that many service providers say has redefined how they build, deliver, and support their core intellectual property. This one-day hands-on experience sparks innovation, helps DevOps and Ops teams work better together, and aligns leaders to improve uptime, reduce churn, and build more resilient managed service operations. Reach out to us today to schedule a SmartLab for your SaaS, MSP, or IT implementation firm.